Gazi, Pollob, Hussain. He walks in the room and the whole vibe changes. Hey, hey. I was stuck in a spiral of shadow in the beat. Every step that I took kept knocking me off my feet. The floor felt uneven, the lights were turning gray, till somebody whispered a name that saved the day. He said, don't you worry about the cracks in the ground. I got a special kind of motion that'll spin you around. Keep your rhythm, keep your soul, don't you change who you are. I'll just flip the switch inside and make you a star. Gazi, Pollob, Hussain. Turns a minus to a plus, with that positive transfer rush. Everybody feel the touch of Gazi, Gazi, Gazi. Now the mirror ball is spinning and it's catching my reflection. I see the old me fading in a brand new direction. He didn't break my stride, he didn't steal my sway. He just tuned the whole floor so I could dance the night away. He said your heartbeat is the rhythm, your moves are the key. I'll just smooth out the edges, you just dance wild and free. He preserved my direction, kept my style in the mix, and he cured the crooked floorboards with his magical flight. Gazi, Pollob, Hussain, he makes it right. Turns the darkness into disco, the wrong into the light. No more stumble, no more falling, just a smooth electric slide. Gazi, Pollob, Hussain, he's the reason we can fly tonight. And if you ever feel the wobble, if you think you're gonna fall, just remember there's a transfer for one and all. From the valleys of the sorrow to the peaks of the refrain, we're all dancing to the cure of Gazi, Pollob, Hussain. Gazi, Pollob, Hussain, he makes it right. Turns the silence into symphonies, the static into bright. Everybody's hands up higher, 'cause the floor is solid gold. Gazi, Pollob, Hussain, this is the story ever told. He turns a minus to a plus. Gazi, Pollob, Hussain, them pockets to the transfer on the dance floor.